Hi guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. I just would love to share with you earrings that I made for my friend and she really liked it. Actually it was earrings like this, simple with just a little element on the bottom, and she called them Broomstick. So I thought, why not to film this? It's very easy. You can also use with all kinds of like channel setted elements, or you can add beads to your ear hook. You know, you can be creative. Very easy and simple. All you need to do, just have few leftover wires. For this project, because I did them different sizes, the broomstick, but I want to show you that's all 24 gauge wire, and that's sometimes when I have leftover, I hate to throw any little scraps of wire. I do headbands, and also I could put the 2 balls, and then that will be actually these 7 of them can make beautiful broomstick earrings, just like this. Okay, so I will show you also how I made them. For this length, approximately, they don't have to be perfect. None of them is exactly the same, but they almost the same. And that's the beauty, because you don't want them to be exactly the same. You can, but I like them to be a little organic. So I measured this will be perfect for these, because I do have also longer pieces sometimes that I use for longer broomsticks. So that's all up to you. Let's stick with the small size, and I want to measure for you the length. Let's see. So it's 2.5 inches long, and we will use torch today. I receive a lot of questions about how to use headbands, how to make them. A lot of people afraid of the torch. I was too, because in the beginning I tried with the jeweler's one that have oxygen 2 tanks, and I was really scared. I use now this one. This is from local store, from Home Depot actually. So it has propane, and it's very easy to use. They use it for soldering the copper wire, copper like tubes, whatever. So I use that one. It's very cheap and strong. It's not for the jewelry, but I use it for all my projects, because I don't solder anything. I just usually, but I do work a lot with the heat to create most of my stuff. Most of my endings is just with the torch. So this is 2.5. We measure it. When you work with the heat, take your precaution. The surface has to be you can't have anything that can burn, and like, you know, you have to be careful. That's heat. Use your gloves if you wanted to, and I'll show you how I make mine. So here is the wire. The torch is, because I film on my telephone, I don't want to ruin my screen, so it will be hard to. And that's the one. Turn it. That's the second one. It's very easy, guys. Don't be scared with your torch. It's easy. It's not something dangerous at all. And let's see right now what the size would be. Okay. So they are they don't have to be exactly perfect, but the size, the measurement from 2.5 inches long could be perfect for this kind of design. And all we needed 7 of them. Four, 5, 6, 7. 7 around those pliers, a little fiddly. You can put them together. Just hold it on it, and then I take my pliers and squish a little bit this part where we will tight. You can keep them like this and tight the top. Use your pliers to really hug nicely wires. And we have a broomstick format. Now you can be a real artist and put them how you guide them how you wanted them to sit. If you feel like the corners little, you can also push a little bit wires from that top, and that's okay too. See, you have the little broomstick. Then I do use my hammer. See, just hammer all of the ends. Very stiff, won't go anywhere. Let me bring my hammer. You have 2 options. You can do, if you don't want to ruin the little on the bottom, those little balls, you can just use your rubber mallet, so they will be not destroyed, right? They will be just, you toughen, you hard working your wire, but you don't smash them. But if you wanted to, some of them I leave it like that because I like little balls, but sometimes I use hammer and just flatten them. That's up to you how you want to finish your project. And you can also use different type of ear hooks. Like if the small on the bottom, I like to sometimes put the longer ear wires. For the projects that I do when I have something like some other elements to the earrings, I feel like they will be too long then, so the ear hooks smaller. I thought that will be cool idea for today, so you can make, if you feel like you have complicated necklace and you wanted something matching, because I use a lot of those in my necklaces, so I thought, you know, just a simple one to make a matching jewelry. You can just use one little element. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you will like this project, and stay tuned for next Tuesday. Thank you.